Sorry if you hear a fan in the background because my aircon isn't working and I just want to feel cool. It hasn't worked for about 2 years. Here's a tour of the lifts at Hotel Jen, Orchard Gateway. Firstly, we go to the hotel lifts. These lifts used to have KDS 300 like every other lift in the area, but only this set of lifts got replaced into everbright. Now to the hotel shuttle lifts, because below the hotel is a shopping mall called Orchard Gateway. These lifts also serve a floor 8, which is the car park.
First floor. Doors opening. Going up.
Normally it's okay. To plus like last fall.
Normally we are 30,82 Kilometer. 2028 Gesamtkilometer 3.116. So das Bereich 55 bis 170. Anstrengung mäßig. Höhenmeter 110. So 80 Grad. Und Luftfeuchtigkeit 79%. Das kann mehr vor.
Eighth floor.
Excuse me.
Doors opening.
And now onto the service lifts. Technically they are service lifts even though they serve both mall and hotel. The hotel floors are locked but the mall floors aren't.